All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today was a honestly pretty easy read. First thing I did this morning was go onto the premium Discord, and I did give them a pre-market analysis. I told them I was bullish coming to the day. I did want to see price come down from this 5-minute gap we were rejecting it. Right? I did only make $450 per account. I'm gonna go over that right now. Really quick. Before that, a 5-minute gap, we tapped it, we were pushing up pre-market. I didn't like that. I wanted price to push lower. If you actually take a look at what price did, we actually ended up tapping OTE of the bearish range to the tick, 0.618, and then dumped to that 15-minute gap. Now, what I wanted to see, I was open to shorting to data lows. I was also open to shorting to midnight open. We did have Asian lows all the way down here. I didn't care about Asian lows. Why don't I want Asian lows to get tapped? Because that's the low that rejected this bullish 4-hour gap. And I was bullish, and I did want my bullish bias to hold. So in order for my bullish bias to hold, I don't want to see a lower low get put in place. Now, from that 4-hour gap, we pushed higher. We had data at 8:30. Data pushed higher. Holy diddy. All right, we had data at 8:30. That's why my TP was this high, by the way. I've seen this happen a million times. Every time I trade news, especially whenever we have FOMC, price tends to edge the highs that swept data because there's no reason to resweep those. So we usually tend to edge those highs and then dump. Don't ask me why. I don't move the markets. I don't make the rules. I just know that I've seen this happen a shit ton of times. We can expect price to push up from here. We just have the 15-minute gap on ES. But in the meantime, told the Discord my bias was bullish. Why? 15-minute gap below us. We were currently rejecting off a 5-minute. I wanted to see price push lower. I wanted to see us fill this 15-minute gap, and then from there, I wanted a reaction. Now, in hindsight, I should have entered here. I could have gone break even at this high, targeting this high. What did I do? Yep, 15-minute gap, and we immediately push higher. What I did was I did wait for the 3-minute to inverse just because I didn't like how ES was consolidating for so long. If you take a look at ES from 928 to 935, price was in the exact same spot in price, and this isn't like this isn't consolidation. This is a V-shaped recovery. This is consolidation. So I didn't like how ES was consolidated. I figured maybe we could just push lower on ES. So I did want actual bullish confirmation from Nasdaq, and the bullish confirmation I got was that 3-minute inverse. I rarely enter off inverses, but today I did. Stops are right below this low right here. We have this don't know what to call this actually. It's not an order block. It's a breaker. Yeah, let's call it a breaker block because I really don't know the difference between all those blocks. They're all the same shit in my eyes, right? Let's just call it an area of demand, right? To actually push price up. And stops were right below that, literally right here. My take profit was here. Now, take profit was hit. I was supposed to make $1.9 thousand per account today. It would have been a great day. Did I hold to TP? No, I fully closed at this internal high right here. Just because I didn't like the way price pushed so deep and then gave us a push to the upside. I wanted to be out of this trade. I wasn't a big fan of the way price was moving, and the fact that ES had that 15-minute gap below us and only pushed up into this 3-minute gap. I didn't like that. I didn't like the way ES was just pushing up into a bearish gap, not giving us real displacement. We didn't get a single candle closure above any wicks, right? No candle closures above any wicks. So I was like, all right, maybe ES wants to push lower, and Nasdaq is probably going to follow it. I wouldn't mind a resweep of these lows, and then maybe I re-enter, or a push into OTE before I re-enter long, right? Unfortunately, full TP was hit, which is kind of unfortunate for us. But yeah, we took a trade up to here. Negative RR trade. I was just managing my risk because I didn't like the way price was moving. I do this often. You are going to see it more often as well. But yeah, pretty simple trading day. 450 per account, which is not bad. Not bad at all. I'm trading with Lucid. I do think they're the best profit amount right now. I really like them. I'm trading the flex accounts. They're my favorite. They're also the cheapest. If you guys like pros are 1-day pass. That is very personal. If you like 1-day passing your evals, by all means, pros. I used pros before the flex were an option just because they are newer accounts. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys are interested in joining the premium Discord where I give out my daily analysis and go over my calls, all sorts of, daily sauce, the link will be in the description. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to join the free Discord. The link will also be in the description. The free Discord has a lot of information for you guys. I want to make sure everyone who watches me turns into a better trader than they were the day before. That is my goal. My goal is literally to leave a legacy in the trading industry, as corny as it sounds. That is my goal. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. If you guys have any questions, also just comment them. Right, pretty simple day. It longs to these highs. Like I said before, I don't care for these highs. They're literally trading 5 points below or 10 points below these highs, and these are the highs that swept data highs. So I don't care much for them. I just want this high. This is the most recent swing high that was put in place before we move to the downside. Then we respect OTE 0.705. We respect it. We push higher. We inverse a 3-minute. We tap a 50-minute gap. What is this? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Very clean day. Very clean day. If you guys have any questions, just ask me. I'll be here to answer. I hope you guys have a blessed day and trade safe. Peace out.